How does List Junction make me money on my email list? The answer is simple. We execute the 3 mantras of growth, monetization, and retention with precision by managing your email list for you. You spent all the time and money developing your email list, so you receive a hefty 70% of all the revenue we generate. We do all the work for you to manage and monetize your list and receive respectable 30% of the revenue. List Junction partners with companies that desire to market their products and services to your email list and will pay you to do so. At LJ, our list management services have exploded through the bar previously set by email marketing firms and agencies that have been doing it all wrong. We leap past CPM list rental and flip the script on how to monetize your list. Simply tell us how many times per week or month you want to make your email list available for third-party offers, and presto! First, we help you evaluate your list to maximize performance. Then, we match your list to targeted candidates and schedule the rentals. To get the best results, we use a simple method of merging 4 ways to monetize your list: CPL, CPM, CPC, and affiliate rev share. Here's how it works. You have a targeted, qualified email list that you built up over time. We are the matchmakers. We find buyers who will pay to market to your list and will simply send a dedicated email message to your list. And please don't worry, they do not have access to your actual list. They only get to send a one-time email to your list. Depending on the buyer, we offer them the ability to rent your list 3 ways: CPM, CPL, and CPC. The first way buyers are willing to market your list is by paying per 1,000 emails sent. This is called CPM, or cost per thousand. Alternatively, they can pay based on performance through CPL, cost per lead, or CPC, cost per click. At LJ, this is our bread and butter. Performance-based list rental is a win-win for the list owner and the marketer, because it ensures the buyer gets what they're paying for and that you get properly compensated for the performance your email list achieves. It's our job to price it right in order for both sides to want to keep coming back and doing it over and over again. This means the right price for both parties, the right marketing material to achieve performance, and the right list to send it to achieve a high response rate. In addition to the 3 ways companies can market to your email list, we bring an additional monetization method to the table through our affiliate program network. Affiliate programs are a great way to partner with non-competing companies that offer products that your email database would have a targeted interest in. A very important reason to incorporate affiliate products into the mix is because it actually helps achieve list retention. Believe it or not, your audience actually wants to see these offers. Your database is interested in your emails, so it would make sense that they would want to see offers about like-minded products that complement or enhance products and services that they were already interested in. It can actually help get more performance out of your list if you pair the right offers to the right email list. At LJ, we focus on finding quality affiliate products with strong payouts and performing offers that are optimized to achieve a high response rate from your audience. In fact, we can even evaluate your product to be included in our list of affiliates. You tell us how often you want to make your list available for rent, and we do all the work to price your list, match targeted buyers, and help execute the email blast. List Junction offers all our clients powerful reporting, easy scheduling, simple approval processes, fast payouts, and an expert dedicated account rep to ensure you are getting the most out of your LJ partnership.